Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man. So let's get started. To draw cute Pochita, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big circle. There. Now with this circle in, I'm going to come inside and draw another circle. So I'm just going to follow the curve I drew. There. And then I'm going to draw another circle right here in the top for a highlight. And shade this all in. There. Okay, so then, before I forget, let's just draw a curve about right here, right over the eye. Then from there, we need to draw a curve to split the face in half. And so I'm going to, let's say, I'm just going to find the center of my eye and just come out, say about right here. Not too far, just giving a little bit of space. So I'm just going to use that as my guide, and I'm going to come to the top about right here. Just imagining, so I'm just going to say about right here. Might need to bring it up higher, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve that hits my point, and I'm going to bring it down to about the level of my eye, so about right here. So now that I have this curve, I'm going to come down right about here, and we're going to pop this out with a fuller curve and bring it in. There. Looks kind of weird, right? But it's all going to come together, I promise. Then from there, we're going to split it about right here. And we're going to draw another curve. So this is going to be where the mouth is. Then we're going to come back into this space. And just draw a curve and bring it in. And a curve right here for our tongue. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see here. Let's bring this up a little bit more. So we just curve it in just a little bit. And then from there, we need to pop out this chainsaw that's in the middle of its head, right? So I'm going to, let's say about right here. Let's kind of figure out how wide we want our chainsaw. Here and here. Just a little bit above the mouth. So I'm going to use that as my guide, and I'm going to turn my body a little bit. So definitely do that, or turn your paper. But we're just going to draw two lines coming out. So just right about here. Just going to draw these two lines that are parallel because I need to connect it with a curve. So I'm right here to draw the chainsaw blade. So I'm going to turn this way now. There. So I'm just using a bit sketchy line so that I make sure I have my curve in correctly, my lines in before I go back in to make everything nice and solid. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go back in and we're going to draw the same thing. So I'm just going to follow whatever I drew and go around. Oops. And down. There. And so then from there we can go ahead, we're just going to draw these little lines going all the way just to give it some details. And as we come here, we're going to split it a little bit, changing the direction, and then come back straight again. There. And then we're going to add some of these spikes in here, like the blades. So I'm just going to come in here and just here and there, just draw these very sharp point. I guess I should have them all going this way when I come down here, and I guess maybe I should have gone that way. I've seen different versions, so I guess it doesn't really matter. We just want to put some spikes up here so we know that it's a saw blade. Okay, so now that we have that in, the main part is in, let's go ahead and we're going to say, let's say about right here. Just kind of following this curve. I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve coming up for the body. So about right there. And then just imagine this is coming through, so about right here. Just want this roundish body. And then let's bring this down. And then before I finish that, I need to draw this handle. So kind of like about here, the top area right here, I'm going to draw a curve right about here. We're going to bring it in, and then we're going to go up, go across, round this part off, about right here, and then about here, come down. So we're just following this angle, and then we're going to thicken it all up. So let's go across, and round this part off, and go up. Then we're going to go around to create this handle and go across. So we're just following this now. And once again, we're going to round it off and come in and bring it down there. And then for some details, you can come in here just to make it look more, add volume to it. Another line right here. There. So that looks like that. Looks like it has more volume to our handle. And then from there we can go ahead and finish the body of Pochita. So we're going to bring this down and round. There. So it's just this round curve. There. So then let's bring this down more. Bring this in. So we're just going to go back and forth to create this ovalish body, and then about right here, bring it in, and then about right here, kind of where the eye is, I'm going to break it up and draw the front leg. So I'm going to come down with an angle and come out and down. Then about right here, curve to connect. There, just simplifying the legs, and then right here you can bring this in and go through, and then about right here. Let's break it up for the back and down, and once again, just like the front, we're going to connect everything and connect there. Okay, so then we have this other one right here. I'm going to come down and just follow that and down. There, and then one more in the back right here. There. And then for some details, you just add 2 little curves on each one. There. Okay, so finally we're done with that, and then let's see here. We can come back and draw the tail. So about right here towards the bottom, we're going to curve it out and connect it to say about right there. Break it off, and then we're going to draw this tail. That's basically kind of like the pull cord, right, for the chainsaw. So we're going to come out and draw a rounded off triangle, something like that, and then bring it back in. There. And then oops, draw, continue with, draw the inside, following your outside. There. And let's see here if I've forgotten anything. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Pochita from Chainsaw Man. Just make sure when you're drawing this chainsaw right here that you make it low enough so that it covers this side so you don't have to draw the other eye. It makes it a little bit simpler to draw. But that is pretty much it, except I'm just going to quickly add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Pochita from Chainsaw Man. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.